also. All right, we're going to go now to Mike Seidel. Right now, I think the first time we've seen an S+ at Reagan National, Mike, and tell us a little bit about conditions. What are you seeing? What's your latest measurement?
Yeah, we've got 7 inches at Reagan National, a little over 7 out here, about the same. We've got a couple of snowplows over here coming up Louisiana Avenue. I don't know if they're slowing down for any particular reason, but they're trying to keep the road clear. The wind is really blowing the snow sideways here, as you can see in the picture. There goes the Capitol Police. We're looking down Louisiana, and you're looking into oblivion, basically. Look down there, and you really can't see anything. The visibility is down to about 4 blocks. Here come the plows, continuing to try to stay ahead of the snowfall rate. They're going to go up, I think that's D Street Northwest. There goes one of them. Here comes another. So they're trying to do the best they can. Fortunately, we're not getting the 2 to 3 inch snowfall rates an hour. Temperature now 24. It's 21 at Dulles. And if you think about it now, we're about halfway into a top 10 snowfall. 14.4 would be a top 10 storm, and we're already up over 7. Boy, that wind is really whipping right now. You can see the banding features on the radar coming up from the south and southeast, and that's what's kicking in the heavier snowfall rates. So at times it's snowing at more than 1 inch an hour, and then it backs off. Down to the south, there's the warm air encroaching on Salisbury, Ocean City, down towards the Northern Neck, or Norfolk, Virginia Beach in the mid-40s. That warm air is never going to get this far north and west. We're going to stay all snow in D.C. and Baltimore. Many times we have to worry about the rain-snow line, but not this time. And we're going to get the wraparound snow tomorrow. So this is a long duration event. This is not your basic 8, 9, 10-hour snowstorm. This is 18, 20 hours plus, and we've got the heavy wind-driven snow, and the winds are going to continue to ramp up. East of here, we could gust to 50 miles an hour. Here in the district, certainly over 40 miles an hour. That's going to blow and drift the snow around. That's another issue. Fortunately, everything is shut down this weekend. All the metro here in D.C. is shut down, and the best bet is to sit tight and just hang tight, and then we can all get up and enjoy the sunshine and dig out of this blizzard on Sunday. Nick?
At least we're looking forward to that. A lot of space in between now and then, though. Thanks so much, Mike Seidel, there in Washington, D.C.